Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about Android application development introduction. Let's first see what is Android. Android is a Linux-based operating system designed primarily for touch-screen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet computers. It is currently developed by Google in conjunction with the Open Handset Alliance. It is a very widely used operating system which has more than 40 million users across the world. In this course, we will be developing Android applications. So let's see. Android application consists of one or more of the following classifications. Activities. Most of the time, we will be working with activities. An application that has a visible UI means user interface is implemented with an activity. That means if in an application you are seeing some graphical user interface, it is an activity. When a user selects an application from the home screen or application launcher, an activity is started. Services. A service should be used for any application that need to persist for long time, such as a network monitor or update checking applications. Services runs in backend and it is running persistively to provide various functionalities. Content providers. You can think of content providers as a database server. A content provider's job is to manage access to the persisted data, such as SQLite database. If your application is very simple, you might not necessarily create a content provider, but if you are building a larger application or one that makes data available to multiple activities or applications, a content provider is the means of accessing your data. We will not cover these content providers in our course, but we will look at them very briefly. Broadcast receivers. An Android application may be launched to process element of data or respond to an event, such as the receipt of a text message. That means if someone is broadcasting some data and our application is receiving that particular data. So we will be developing our Android application around these things, and from the next tutorial we will be looking at development of Android applications. Thank you.